how to make a letter portrait in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen Instagram post as my canvas here. So first in the elements, I will search for golden letter B. Okay, and I will go to graphics and click on see all, and I will scroll down to find this one. I will use it, clicking it in the image, and after that just make it slightly bigger. Okay, so the next element which I will be using is woman holding sign board. So I will go to photos now, click on see all, and I will use this image. Okay, and as you can see it is holding a white signboard. So for that I will click on BG remover. Okay, so this hand is also removed, but we don't require that. Okay, I require till this part, and I will flip horizontal. Okay, and as you can see, if I zoom the image, you can see that the hand is a little tilted. So I will adjust it here, and now I will make it bigger so that I can adjust it in the whole of the canvas. So the image is adjusted. Now to bring the whole of the image, just select all of them and move it to the right. Okay, so the image is done here. Now let's make it slightly bigger so that I can cover the whole of the B letter here. Okay, so it is covered, but as you can see the body is not covered with this B character. So what to do? First I will click on here, click on edit, and scroll down to find duotone, and here select custom and change both the highlights and the shadows to black color. Okay, and after that again in the element section here write hand holding blank space. Okay, and again click on photos and see all. Select this image and just adjust the size of the hand with the body size so that it looks proper. Rotate it. Okay, and place it right here and make it slightly smaller, and rotate it and place it right here. Zoom it to adjust it. Okay, so it is adjusted, but as you can see the hand color is not matching. So to match that, click on edit again and go to adjust and increase the brightness and increase the whites and decrease the saturation part. Keep it like this and change the color edit part also, and work slightly on the contrast part and the highlights part. Okay, and increase slightly the temperature. Now it looks somewhat proper. Select the B here and duplicate it, crop it, and select just this part. Okay, click on done here and just bring it till here and again. Okay, so it is covered now. Bring this B by right clicking it, click on layers, bring to front, and now select this B part, click on layer, show layers, select these three and click on Ctrl plus X in the keyboard and click on add page and paste it right here. Okay, and in here select elements and here write gold texture. okay, and use this one, right click it and set image as background, okay, and after that download both the pages. Make sure you download both the pages as JPG. So both the pages are downloaded. Now click on add page and just re-upload both the images. After that, scroll down and go to apps. Here write blend. Click on blend image. Make sure you select the bottom layer as this B layer and top layer as this image. And your design is ready. Make sure the blend mode is in screen. Okay, click on add page and add to design here. Okay, and just make it to the same size as the canvas. And after that, use this image. Just copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C in the keyboard and Ctrl plus V here, and again adjust the image here. Click on BG remover, and as you can see the image is properly set here. Now crop the parts which are not required here, and your image is ready. So the texture is also created as we have used this gold texture. So it is also created. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you comment your feedback about this tutorial and the next tutorials you want to see. Please do comment about that, and please subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.